Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimberly for those of you who are new. And for those of you who are not new, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a makeup look on my beautiful friend Mari. AKA, what did I used to call her?
Oh, Burger Boo, I remember you called me that.
Oh, what?
Burger Boo.
AKA Burger Boo. We known each other for 10 years, so we have mad love for each other. Stay tuned to the end of the video and see what we come up with. So if you're interested to watch, then just keep on watching. By the way, you can follow her under...
_ Mari Mendez on Instagram.
Follow her on Instagram. Show her some love. Thank you guys so much for your support and all your love. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all of you who have subscribed so far. And all I can say is I love you guys. And until next time, guys, see you later.
Oh. In a 1, in a 2, in a 3, blast up. No, I'm just kidding. So we're going to go in with an oldie but a goodie, True Match Foundation. If you're looking for an inexpensive drugstore foundation, True Match is always the way to go. Now, I love glowy, healthy and dewy looking skin. So I use a product from Loreal, which adds on to a glowy skin. Now, for concealer, girl, if you're going for inexpensive, go for LA Girl. This is called the Pro Concealer, and it does its job. If you don't have under eye circles, what are you doing? That NYX Corrector, I used it on her lids because she has like a darker pigment. So you can use this corrector for under the eyes, for the lids, whatever you need to cancel out. To set the concealer and the corrector, I used a NYX translucent powder, and then I'll be using another powder for baking. Moving on to brows. What are those?
Yeah, right there.
So I used the brow kit to fill out any sparse areas. And then after, I used the pomade to shape those brows even more. Then I went in with the Physicians Formula Concealer
because I wanted to shape the hell out of those brows and keep them clean and looking good. I used 2 different types of brushes, so I'm thinking of maybe doing a video where I talk about brushes I can use more than once. Let me know, guys. Leave a comment down below. I would really appreciate it.
I went in with the banana powder for some baking. And I also used the L'Oreal powder. I used these 2 powders just so I can later clean up as well. I went in with the Morphe palettes. That's another inexpensive product you can totally buy if you're new at makeup or you're just an upcoming MUA. I then went in with Too Faced and I chose 3 different colors. I know, a lot of pink, right? Well, I was going for a springy type of eye look, and I wanted to focus more on the eyes on this video, just because when you work on your eyes for a look that, I don't know, let's say you're trying to go out somewhere, you're going on a date, anywhere, the eyes are what pops out. Other than your contour and your highlight, girl, those better be popping too. Your eyes should be as popping as your highlight.
Even though I used like 500 types of colors in the lids, I did the same type of technique, the swiping motion. So I try to focus on the corner of her eyes where I can like create like a cat eye looking smoked out look with the eyeshadow. And then instead of using matte colors on the corner of the eyes, I use like a shimmer color. Then for the lids, I used another lighter shimmer color. Is the right thing. And I also used some setting spray so it can pop some more. this was the look, guys. I really just try to focus on the eyes the most, just to show you guys how I created this summery, springy look. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, guys. See ya later. Hasta mañana.